my crudeness, but that's all I can come up with. It's going to work. We'll bring it back. There's one. Red cherry shrimp. We're in the drip acclimation process. Still dripping. Alright, I'm in about 2.5 hours on this drip process. I'm going to, if I don't hurry things up, I'm going to miss dinner. We're going to go ahead and try to take this thing apart without making a huge mess and try and stay out of the camera. That's all I had. You can see it right there. There's that little clip pinching that tube shut. Two, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Looks like 8. Maybe 9. I had a hitchhiker. There should only be a few more left in here. I bought a bag of 15 from this young lady. Alright, they seem to be sort of swimming around here a little bit. I'm happy. I wish I had a whole tank full already, but if you understand with these shrimp, be careful what you wish for. So that's about it. We're going to let these shrimp just sort of kind of, red cherry shrimp, just sort of kind of acclimate here a little bit more inside the tank. Get used to their surroundings. They have moss in there. You can see the Java moss, different plants. That piece of driftwood is huge inside. There's all kinds of biofilm on that. But I think they'll be happy. Alright, we were 3 hours on the dot. Getting these blue shrimp acclimated. We've got them netted. I probably should have cleaned that out, but I did feed them while I was in there. No, really, get outside the net. It's a bigger and better home out there for you. Gonna let these guys swim around and get used to things. Yeah, not too big tank, little shrimp.